Hi guys, welcome to our Walmart blaster box of 2013 Topps Chrome. Trent Richardson, C.J. Spiller, a rookie card, Ryan Nissip, and a Reggie Lane refractor. Okay. Julio Jones, Michael Crabtree, Eddie Lacy, rookie. Keyshawn Warner, rookie card. Fill a die cut. Charles Tillman, Tom Gonzalez, Vance McDonald, and Levon Bell, die cut. Terrence Williams, rookie. Rob Janikowski, refractor. Eli Manning, Josh Freeman, refractor. Ryan Swoop, and Marcus Hunt. Robert Griffin III, John Bostic, and Terrence Williams. Surprised we haven't got any numbered cards. Maybe in this pack. Vincent Jackson, Laundry Jones mini, Christine Michael rookie, Santonio Holmes. And our bonus pack relic is going to be E.J. Manuel, non-numbered. Well, that concludes our 2013 Topps Chrome Walmart box break. Thank you.